Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Meta Ads Performance CSV from Ads Manager step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Meta Ads Manager website. Log in to your Meta account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Ads Manager option in the main menu. Click on the Ads Manager to access your campaigns. In the Ads Manager dashboard, find the campaign you want to analyze. Select the specific campaign by clicking on its name. On the right side of the screen, look for the Export button. Click on the Export button to reveal the available options. Choose Export Table Data from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear with various file format options. Select CSV as your preferred file format. Optionally, you can customize the date range to narrow down your data by clicking on the date selector. After setting the date range, click Apply. Review the selected columns and metrics to ensure they meet your needs. If you need to change any columns, click on the Columns drop-down menu. Adjust the columns as necessary before exporting. Once satisfied with your configuration, click the Export button. The CSV file will be prepared and automatically downloaded to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application to review your ad performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.